Hello boys and girls, welcome back with the second puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper of Monday, December the 13th, 2021. We have two puzzles left. This one I have already solved. We have a tectonic with 4 stars left and a binary. And this one will be number 3822. Alright, before I start I always count the boxes. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1's. So let's get started. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Now we have 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Here we have 4 1's, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1's we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. 4 1's we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 1's we have here, so the rest are O's. And I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth 1. So this box should be an O. I think I need to compare. No. We have here 3 O's, and I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. First O, second O, third O, fourth O. So this box should be a 1. Okay, can we compare? Let me compare this one. Difficult. Let me compare. This. Yeah. No. 1001. Yeah. This row and that row. 1100 empty box. 110011 empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. 4 1's we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. Need to compare again. This column and the second column. Alright, Empty box 110011000011. Empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. With O here, this should be a 1. With a 1 here, this should be an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. Finish in 5 minutes. Alright. Great binary. I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle of today. Tectonic with 4 stars. See you then. Bye bye for now.